if you like these 3 different options for how to get onto your dance floor at your wedding, be sure to head to our website, ballroom.com, where you can learn each version step by step, broken down into separate videos. That way you can kind of decide which one you like the best, choose it, and put it into your dance. That being said, we do have our website, ballroom.com, of course, where you can check out all of our wedding content there. We have a whole BF wedding section. I'm going to link it down below so you can figure out the best option for you, whether it's putting it together yourself or maybe using one of the choreographies we already have, or having us create a custom choreography for you. One of those options. So check them all out and come back next week for more content. Thanks. Bye.